G'day viewers, how the devil are ya? Well, I'm back with my portable hole in the ground furnace, and I've extended a bit to see how hot I can really get this little mother. As you can see, I've put some extra bricks on the top. These should be real fire bricks, seeing they came out of the chimney of the house next door that got knocked down the other day, and I salvaged a few. And what I'm going to do is cover the top to try and retain the heat a bit more. I should get enough venting just through the gaps in the bricks, and then I'll throw in that water pump housing there, which is all aluminium, and I'll see if I can melt that down into the bottom of this dirt furnace. The house those bricks came from was over 100 years old. They're actually a solid brick and obviously made of technology from yesteryear. Be interesting to see how they hold up. I don't think they've been lit in probably close on 40 to 50 years. Didn't take long for that bit of 1/4-inch plate to get hot. This thing has been running less than 5 minutes and already we got a nice red glow. I expect the bricks won't take much longer to get up to heat either. On the first video, I had this thing running over half an hour, and as you can see, it retained the heat enough not to melt the plastic. It's burning a bit on the top this time, but it'll be interesting to see just how much heat that this puts into the lower part of the dirt furnace. Looks like a traditional Japanese house, only one that's on fire. Why spend good money on expensive refractory when you've probably got a whole garden full of dirt you could build 100 of these things with? Seems to be holding up just fine. We'll lift the lid in a minute and check it out. You don't get that sort of flame and fury with that sissy gas stuff. This is oil burning power. I almost made a mistake here. I saw that dripping melting plastic and I thought I was looking at something that was running out of the safety sissy shorts. That's exactly what they'd look like if they were doing something hands-on and DIY like this. God, I can't wait to get a few more comments about not wearing gloves. Bugger! I forgot me lamb chops and me sangers. What a waste. That looks like another perfectly good barbecue. Oh well, plenty more of this heat where that came from. Alrighty, well, as much as I like this flame and fire and brimstone as the next real man, I'll back this off a bit. We'll have a look in the furnace, see how hot it is, and then we'll have a look at chucking that bit of aluminium in. looks reasonably warm. Where's one of those little thermometer things? I want to see if I can clock it and get a free game. Yep, that's how you demold one of these furnaces. Just burn the plastic casing straight off it. Nice and simple. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to show you inside, but I'll try and back the air and the fuel right down and get up as close as we can. Yep, that's pretty warm. I don't think there'll be much trouble melting aluminium in that. Still barely ticking over, but it'll come right up. Okay, now I've pre-warmed my oven. I'm ready to cook, so I'll get that bit of aluminium, chuck it in and see how we go. Whoops, there's a slight problem. Close enough. This looks like the perfect setup for those large items when you're just scrapping and need to melt them down. Chuck it on top and just let it do its work. I can see that's just starting to melt already. There we go, look at that. Oh, there she goes. What did that take? Not even 2 minutes, I don't think. Bloody ripper. That looks like one oven that's reasonably up to cooking temperature. And I can see the molten alley splashing round in the bottom. Not bad at all. Who thought you could use your petunia garden for this sort of thing? Yep, that's hot alright. And this is just common, literally garden variety soil. There's a good detail shot of the outside, just again showing what this really is. Bit of old dirt packed into a plastic container and off you go. There's nothing like oil burning power. These things things are just a joy to behold. What else can you say? Now, today's safety tip for all the whining pussies is don't forget to wear your gloves. It won't do a damn thing to protect you against one of these, but that doesn't matter. We still get rid of your worthless ass anyway, and it stops you dribbling on a bit more. Everybody's happy all round. Just to show you, at the end of this run, even though this is just plain old dirt, the outside of it is still quite cool enough for me to put my hand on. Not too bad just for common old garden variety dirt, I reckon. Looks like there has been a slight breach in containment. It looks like the aluminium actually. This stuff does seem to eat through a lot of things, but that's alright. It's dirt, so I can play some more mud pies, patch it up and have another crack at it. Molten aluminium, look at that. Beautiful. Yep, once again looks pretty warm to me. Not even sure if there's any aluminium left. I think we burned and vaporized it all. Oh well, plenty more where that came from. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and by all means share this around. I'll probably do a few more vids on this, modifying it, so if you like this one, you'll probably like some of the other crazy ideas that I've put up. So have a look at my channel, and thanks for watching.